As you can see, the storm is coming in from the south, and it has covered most of the mountain peaks here around Walker Lake with snow, and it's still coming in. There's even peaks over on the other side that are covered, but it's kind of hard to see because all the clouds covered. The lake calmed down a little bit. It was a little choppy, and traffic started picking back up again. They might have had a closure on the road because of the ice and the snow. Here's the storm headed back our way. It cleared up for a little bit, but it's about to hit us again.